going to replace our air intake filter. It's located right underneath the hood inside this air filter box. On our air filter lid here, we have these little metal clamps. Just pop those off there. There's one there, 2, 3, and 4. This back hose right here, I'm just gonna try and wiggle that off, pop that off to the side, lift up on the air lid here, push inward, and pop this up. Now you can go ahead and grab your air filter while you're holding up the hose and the lid. Take out the original air filter. You want to go ahead and do a quick inspection inside the bottom of the air filter box. Make sure there's no debris, leaves, anything like that. If you do, take that time to clean that out. Take your new filter. You want to make sure that the fins are facing down. Drop that into place. Tuck it down in. Now on the back side of the box here, you want to make sure that the tabs insert into the side of the box there. We're having a little bit of some resistance because we have a nice new seal on this filter here. And we can't get the back side of the box to clip into the tabs. So if you're running into this situation, simply what we're going to do, loosen the hose clamp here. We're going to disconnect the hose off of the air box lid. Let's pop that off. That's going to allow us to get more of an angle for this to pop on in. I'm going to tip that lid down at an angle, grab the lid, pop those tabs on the back side of it. So we'll go ahead and snap our clips up into place. Kind of tighten here, but we'll get all 4 of these snapped on. Now that we have all of our tabs locked into place, let's go ahead and slide that hose back on. Pop our air intake tube on. And we'll go ahead and snug down that hose clamp here. Just snug that down gently, and you're all set.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.